Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to show you a unique insect. See, these type of insects are very dangerous. They just eat up all the leaves and make the plant barren. So they have very sharp hooks from which they trap the buds and the leaves. And to get rid of them, I have the neem oil or the seaweed extract to get rid of them. These are very dangerous. Whenever you see this type of insects on your branches or leaves, you need to just remove them. They also have strong power of multiplying. If you see one, they will lay eggs and they divide in many, plenty. See, they just suck the leaves. They have some juicy material, they extract the juicy material and they extract all the nutrients from the plant. And let me tell you, they fly. They have the capacity to fly and sit on the plants.